now on to number 15. So 15 is a little different because we have a new note that's been introduced. Our new note is the half note. So you have one right here, here's another one, and then two more, one right here and here. So the half note looks just like a quarter note, but it's not going to be colored in. It also gets 2 beats instead of 1, like the quarter note does. So if you notice, there's more of a space here, and then you have 1 and 2 and. All of these go with that 1 half note. So a half note is going to get 2 numbers and 2 and. So if you notice here, same thing happens. 2 numbers, 1 and 2 for this one, and then 2 ands. Now here is a half rest. You'll know that it's a half rest because it will look like a hat. You have actually 3 of them, right? One right here. Here's your second one. Here's your third one. So all 3 of your half rests actually start on beat 3. So if you look right here, here's 3. And then you also have 4. So here's your 2 numbers, 3, 4. And then here's your 2 ands right here. Your quarter notes are going to count exactly the same that you did in number 14. So it's going to get a number and an and. So this one will get 3 and this one will get 4 and. So for the first time, again, just like number 14, if you just want to follow along and listen to me do it the first time, that's awesome. You can do that, and then you can go ahead and join me the second time. This one does have a repeat sign. So we are going to do that repeat sign. We're going to clap through it, and then we're going to clap through it again. So both times we'll do the repeat sign. Okay, here's number 15. Follow along with me. 1 and 2, and here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. If you notice for my half rest, I am whispering so that you know that that's when our half rest starts, and this is going to be silent. So your half notes are going to be a little different than if you were a woodwind or brass player, because if you're a woodwind or brass player, you can hold out that half note for 2 full beats. But what you're going to do is hit it, and you're just going to let that sound resonate, but you're going to have a pause. So when you are playing this, it's going to feel like you're going to have a really long pause because you're not going to play until you get to here again. But for here, there's going to be a long pause here, and then you're going to hit on 3 and then 4 again. Okay, let's go ahead and clap and count it now. Make sure that you're counting with me. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, good job. Keep on practicing this one. We are going to be seeing more half notes, but the more you practice them, the better you will get. Okay, see you guys soon.